You ever look at your phone and think, this thing could do so much more? Well, get ready because Microsoft and OpenAI are about to turn that thought into reality, and they're not holding back. They're dropping a whopping $100 billion on it. This project, codenamed Stargate, is like nothing we've ever seen before. We've heard so much, and our research shows a computer that could help us solve problems, answer any question you can imagine, or maybe even create things we haven't even dreamed of yet. Of course, with great power comes great curiosity, right? We're going to break down everything we know about Project Stargate, from what it might be able to do to how it could change the world, hopefully for the better. Now, what's so special about this Stargate AI supercomputer? Well, first off, we're not talking your average run-of-the-mill machine here. This thing is aimed straight for the stars, aiming to push the boundaries of artificial general intelligence, AGI, and even reach the elusive realm of superintelligence. Big ambitions, huh? So get this, Microsoft and OpenAI teaming up to pool their resources and brainpower to tackle the monumental task of building this monster machine. And when I say monster, I mean it. We're talking about a supercomputer packed with millions of specialized server chips, all working in harmony to power OpenAI's AI dreams. Now, let's break down the numbers. $100 billion. That's the jaw-dropping price tag attached to this ambitious project. You heard right. This isn't your everyday garage project. It's a serious investment. But hey, when you're aiming to revolutionize the way we think about AI, you've got to go big or go home, right? According to insiders, executives at Microsoft and OpenAI have been huddled up sketching out plans for this mega data center project. And get this, they're not just throwing around ideas, they're serious about making this Stargate AI supercomputer a reality. Now you might be wondering, what's driving this push for such a huge machine? Well, it all boils down to one thing: artificial general intelligence. You see, AGI isn't just about building smarter AI, it's about creating machines that can think, learn, and adapt like humans. And that's a game changer, my friends. With what they plan, we see a future where AI isn't just a tool, but a true partner in innovation, where machines can not only crunch numbers, but also understand context, reason, and even have a dash of creativity. It's a bold vision, but hey, if anyone can pull it off, it's gotta be Microsoft and OpenAI, right? Now let's talk logistics. Building a Stargate AI supercomputer isn't exactly a walk in the park. Would take some serious manpower, resources, and of course, cold hard cash. But if recent reports are anything to go by, it looks like Microsoft and OpenAI are ready to put their money where their mouth is. So what's next for this ambitious project? Well, only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, the race to AGI is heating up. And with players like Microsoft and OpenAI throwing their hats into the ring, things are about to get very interesting indeed. The next thing we should discuss is numbers. Microsoft's commitment to OpenAI is no joke. We're talking serious money here. They've already poured over $13 billion into various deals, chips, and servers. But hold on to your seats because they're gearing up to take it to a whole new level. We're talking about a jaw-dropping $100 billion for their next big project, the Stargate AI supercomputer. Yes, you heard that right. $100 billion. It might sound like something straight out of a sci-fi flick, but trust me, it's as real as it gets. Now, why are they throwing around such insane amounts of cash? Well, it's all about pushing the boundaries of AI. Sam Altman, the brains over at OpenAI, has been dropping some mind-boggling figures lately. We're talking trillions of dollars for future AI systems. And guess what? It looks like those ambitious plans are finally starting to take shape. But here's what blew us away the most. Some people in the AI community have been whispering about something big, something game-changing. They're saying that AGI, artificial general intelligence, is not just a distant dream. It's already here, lurking in the shadows. The only thing standing in our way? You guessed it. Compute power. Think about it. We've got the algorithms, the data, the expertise. But without enough horsepower under the hood, we're stuck in first gear. That's where Microsoft and OpenAI are stepping in. With $100 billion in the mix, they're dead serious about moving things up to the next level. Imagine what we could achieve with that kind of firepower. We're talking about AI that can truly understand and adapt to the world around us. AI that can tackle the toughest challenges facing humanity, from climate change to disease eradication. This isn't just about making cool gadgets or fancy software. This is about shaping the future of our species. But of course, with great power comes great responsibility. We can't ignore the risks that come with unleashing such powerful AI systems. We need to tread carefully, making sure that every step we take is guided by ethics and safety. So what's next? Well, with $100 billion behind them, Microsoft and OpenAI are gearing up to the way we think about AI. The Stargate supercomputer is just the beginning. Who knows what other mind-blowing projects they have up their sleeves? And guess what? It looks like those plans are starting to take shape. So, what's the game plan? Well, according to insiders, they're not messing around. They've got a 6-year roadmap laid out, and it's all systems go. Microsoft is rumored to be footing the bill for this mega project, which, by the way, would make today's biggest data centers look like child's play. We're talking about a facility so massive it could give Mount Everest a run for its money. But here's what's really fascinating. This isn't just about building a supercomputer, it's about laying the groundwork for the future of AI. With advancements in machine learning, natural language processing, and robotics happening at breakneck speed, the need for computing power has never been greater. And with $100 billion on the line, you better believe Microsoft and OpenAI are all in. So what does all this mean for the average Joe? Well, for starters, it's a sign that the AI revolution is just getting started. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is already changing the way we live and work. But with projects like the Stargate AI supercomputer in the works, we're on the brink of something even bigger. Stargate is stretching across multiple phases of construction. They're not messing around with this one. They've got big plans, and they're looking to shake things up in a big way. Now, here's the big news. They're aiming to have it all up and running by 2028, or maybe even earlier. That's right, we're talking about a timeline that's got everyone in the AI community buzzing. Why? Well, because it lines up perfectly with what many experts are calling the dawn of AGI, artificial general intelligence. And you know what comes next, right? That's right, folks, the singularity. It's the stuff of sci-fi dreams. But with Microsoft and OpenAI leading the charge, it might just become a reality sooner than you think. There's more. You see, Microsoft isn't just throwing money at this thing blindly. No. They're waiting to see some serious progress from OpenAI before they fully commit. And let me tell you, it hasn't all been smooth sailing. Last year, OpenAI had a bit of a hiccup with their new model, Eris. Yeah, it turns out it didn't quite live up to expectations. But hey, that's science for you. Trial and error, right? But the bottom line is this. OpenAI needs to show Microsoft that they've got the goods if they want to keep this Stargate dream alive. So, what does all this mean for the future of AI? Well, for starters, it means we're on the brink of something huge. We're talking about a revolution in computing power that could change the world as we know it. From self-driving cars to medical breakthroughs, the possibilities are endless. But it's not just about the tech, it's about what we do with it. And with $100 billion on the line, you better believe Microsoft and OpenAI are feeling the pressure. But hey, pressure makes diamonds, right? There's also some juicy details left. Microsoft and OpenAI teaming up for something massive should show you that this is no small feat. This isn't just about beefing up GPT-5 or some run-of-the-mill upgrade. No. This is about investing in the future. Microsoft sees something in OpenAI's pitch that's got them thinking, hey, this could be the next big thing. And you know what? They might just be onto something. See, Microsoft's decision to move forward with this Stargate project hinges on OpenAI's ability to step up their AI game. They're not just looking for incremental improvements here. They want a game changer. And from what we've seen, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman ain't messing around. He's set his sights on building AGI, Artificial General Intelligence, by 2030. That's right, folks. We're talking about a system that can outperform humans in just about every field imaginable. Now, I don't know about you, but that's got my attention. And it's not just me. More and more companies are starting to buy into this vision. It's not just some far-off dream anymore. It's becoming a reality right before our eyes. At this point, you would have to wonder why Microsoft willing to drop such a massive chunk of change on this project. Well, for starters, they see the potential for some serious ROI down the line. Sure, $100 billion is a hefty investment, but if it pays off, and let's be real, it probably will, then it'll be worth every penny. And let's not forget about the bigger picture here. This isn't just about making Microsoft richer. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. We're talking about unlocking new levels of intelligence. From revolutionizing industries to solving some of the world's biggest problems, the possibilities are endless. So what's the bottom line? Well, it's simple. We're living in exciting times. The future of AI is brighter than ever. And with juggernauts like Microsoft and OpenAI leading the charge, there's no telling what we'll achieve. But of course, we know it's not just up to the bigwigs in Silicon Valley. It's up to all of us to pay attention, to stay informed, and to be part of the conversation. Because whether we like it or not, the future of AI affects us all. We're in for a ride. And trust me, you won't want to miss it. Alright guys, we've come to the end of this video, and if you enjoyed it, do well to click on the like and subscribe buttons. Don't forget to check other videos on our playlist. We've got some amazing contents for you. See you in our next video.